Okay, excuse the focus of this lens. Yes, this is what the view from my front viewfinder is like. This is clean. um, when I got the screen on my phone changed, this is how it came back. And also, I have not brushed my hair this morning, but I think it looks kind of cool, so it's staying. I know I haven't posted a video in the last 10 days, and I have 3 that I need to edit, but I've been going through some bullshit personally. And it's nothing huge, it's nothing big, like we're not homeless, it's not bad as per se. Unless you count accepting that, your family of origin thinks ill of you. Like, I mean, I've had problems with my mum since I can remember. But I've accepted in the last 2 weeks that no matter what I do, how hard I try, I'm just never going to be that kid that she builds up, that kid that she tells everybody, that's my daughter, she owns her own business, she's awesome, that kind of thing. So I've just kind of sat with that for the last couple of days because it's been tough, like trying to accept that. So that's what I've been doing the last 2 weeks. And yeah, I think we're getting through it, but like, Jesus, your family fuck you up, don't they? Like, your family really do fuck you up. Anyway, that's where I've been. I haven't been busy as such. I mean, I've been like trying really hard with my back and stuff, and probably pushing stuff way too far and ending up in bed at sort of 5 p.m. because I've done too much during the day. And I love this filter, and it makes my teeth look less yellow. So I've also had that, but I've got a new laptop now and I can edit in bed. Yay! But my son has turned 9 today. Can you imagine? It feels like just yesterday I was screaming at my friggin' specialist to get the child out of me. But no, that was 9 years ago. 9 years ago today, in fact, this afternoon. Boy, howdy, was that was a thing. Jeez. I don't know what it is under my phone screen. Can you all see that black dot? Black dot there. Where is it? There. Look at it. I don't know what that is. Is there a bug in my glass? I don't know. Anyway, look, no matter how much I wipe you, it's still there. Yeah, that was a thing. You know how they say, you'll want another one and you'll forget about the trauma of this birth? No, it still feels as fresh today, 9 years later, as it did that day. And there's no chance on this green earth that I will ever put myself through that again. So my kid's pretty lucky. He gets to be the chosen one. Anyway, we're taking him to the Gold Coast for a trip. And it's also my little nephew's first birthday, and oh God, have I gone all out on the presents, by the way, because baby presents and baby whispering is just my thing. I'm so good with other people's babies because I get to hand them back. It's brilliant. And I also get to be the fun aunt. So that's I love it. Yeah, so I mean, I'm just doing this as a quick catch up because I know I have been off line or, missing in action for sort of way longer than I wanted to be, but it's, personal bullshit, basically, is the answer. And it's not because I've forgotten about you. Oh no, I have 2 videos that I've filmed where one of them I'm rambling as bad as I am now in it. And also I have March's Lumi box where something makes me fucking die laughing. There's a face mask in it that amuses me a lot. Anyway, I'm going to try and edit those next week and get them up and finally out to you guys. Because I know that I'm backing up with so much content. And B, I miss you. And apparently we hit 7k. The royal we. Me and you, we hit 7k follows last week sometime, I don't know, probably 2 days ago or yesterday, I don't know, at some stage. And yeah, mildly blown away by that. But you know, here we are, doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, so I keep saying but you know what? I'm leaving it in. I'm not editing this shit because Jesus. There's a lot. There's a lot to be done. My hair doesn't look this good in person. Yeah, the video that I have started editing, but then I just had to stop because I couldn't concentrate, is, you know, the Pat McGrath Bridgerton collection? Well, I bought some, and it took forever to come. And when it did, I got pissed off with it. I got really pissed. But it turns out it wasn't entirely the product's fault. So my quick little review is, it's not as bad as I thought it was. It's a sparkling stellar review for Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath, not as bad as you think it is. Yeah. If I was ever going to be put on any PR lists ever, it's never going to be hers. Oh, whoops. Okay, anyway, I was going to say something and I've forgotten what it is. If I remember, I'll just type it in the comments somewhere. Anyway, love you all. I'm going to fuck off for the weekend, and I'll see you all next week.